sections of hair as usual braid and regular braid it tightly once. For normal braid or plaiting, what we do is we take the rightmost strand over the middle strand and take the leftmost strand over the middle strand and plait. For French braid, just add sections of hair from the sides of your hair to the strands. A bit of right side hair along with right strand over the middle strand and left side hair along the left strand over the middle strand and plait. Now watch my braiding carefully. You will easily understand what I explained. Usually for French braid, people used to start braiding the hair right from the top of their head. But I am starting from the middle because I love this way of braiding. This is easy too. You doesn't have to start from the top. I've started only from the middle. A tiring job indeed. For long hair, it's a tiring job. The tangles, everything. For short hairs, easily you could do this and look pretty too. It goes and goes and goes. My hands are paining. But we need to be beautiful, right? We need to do something or the other. It's girl stuff and girl's fate. You could do this for functions, for college. If you like, you can do this every day. And while plaiting this way, your hair, it just it stays without fuss free. It stays calm and it's like you've plaited everything up and you're free. I feel that whenever I do this. Ta-da! French braid ready. You too try out, ladies. Bye.